this one. Okay, and I have this in animation also. You can take this from me. Okay, I will give you in this one. So now this machine is on, for example, and you want to get into the any menu of Hobart programming, any menu. Okay, you just have to, first thing is switch off the display. Okay, so you will press the button, the display is off. You say that button was pressed, and then open the hood or door, whatever is there. Okay, now you will press these two buttons together. Okay, and then he will bring the lights on. Okay, now the hood is open, that's why you have to close the hood or door, and then he bring up the first menu, which is detergent quantity in grams per liter of our pump, of our detergent pump. But you can play with this one.
Yes.
Because maybe your delivery rate is different. Okay, no problem. You play with this one. What you do is, if you want to increase, just press the timer button or maybe the button on this side. This is up, this is down. And what I say always is, because they ask me, okay, Shamsher, how much we should be putting? I said, I don't know. Ask the chemical shop. No. You are the manufacturer. Tell me how much grams per liter. I said, how would I know? How would I know the dilution level of the for the higher? This one for the lower.
This is grams.
Grams per liter. It's not second.
I was thinking before it was seconds.
In this programming, you don't have to save anything. It automatically saves. So if you leave him at 9.5, he will be 9.5 forever. No need to save. So that was about when you are in the menu number 1, which is for detergent adjustment. Now, this is adjusted with these two buttons, okay? Down and up. This one will be adjusted with this button. That means now what you do is, you press this is to go up. Yes. Will be adjusted using this one, and the top menu will be moving with this one. So if I press this button again, it goes up there, makes 3. Okay. When I press this button, he enters into the next menu, which is rinse aid quantity in grams per liter. Okay, so here also the same way. If I press the timer button, he goes up. If I press the I'm showing now menu 3. Menu 3 is water softener menu. In this one you can adjust the water hardness at side, but this will be only visible when you have built-in water softener in the machine. So no need to worry here. If you see you have a built-in water softener, you will adjust this quantity. If you know the ppm, so like multiply it with this 117.8, for example, divide. For example, you have 200 ppm as per your calculation. You will divide it by 17.8 to bring it to the German degree, because this is German degree of hardness. 1 German degree hardness is 17.8 parts per million. So you will put that number here, okay?
So
this can reduce and that can increase, that's okay. Number 4 is to see how many wash cycle has been completed. Sometimes what happens, customer says, you install the machine, I never use the machine ever. So what you can do is, for the new installation, much easier, but for the other installation, 6 digit, it has a 6 digit, okay? And it will show only 2 digit at a time. So you will have to press 3 times. So you enter, he says 01, the second digit and the third digit. So this way you know he has done 12,484 digit, like wash cycles.
So for example, in the first,
the most important for you guys is menu 5 and menu 6. What is menu 5 and menu 6? Hose filling for detergent. So when you install a new machine, you want to fill the hose, priming.
Yeah.
Okay. So for priming, what you do is, first you will press this button to make him 1. Timer button. Okay. So you press 1 time, he become 1.
so that is detergent.
Yeah, but not yet started. To start, you press the drain button.
Drain bottle.
Yeah. So press the drain button and the detergent pump will start, and you see a light will be blinking here. Okay. and now he will work on his own timer, maybe 2 minutes or something like that. Okay, but you can open the door anytime you want to stop it, or you can stop it manually also. I will show you. So now the detergent pump working. Okay, and you see menu number 5 is 1, and the light is blinking here. Now you want to prime the rinse aid also. So what you do is,
Same time.
yeah, you press this button again to go to menu 6.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you go menu 6. Now you see menu 6 is 0, means you will activate again.
To go back is the power button, Sir Ali.
Yeah, no, go back is power button, of course, to switch off. But to play between these, the menu is here. Means
No, for example, I go to 06.
you already made him 1, but this C not yet started. So what you do, you press the drain button, and now the drain pump rinse aid also started, and the second LED also telling him that the second pump is also on. Okay, and if you want to stop it, how you want to? So for example, I want to stop the detergent pump now.
Yes.
I want to stop it. What I do? First, I go with this button to menu 5, make him 0, and press to stop. Got it?
Yes.
And same I can do it for detergent rinse aid, and then stop. Okay. So let's